Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good. So in my previous series, we tried to understand how we can create project and how stories can be added to it. So today we'll try to see it practically in ServiceNow instance, how project can be created and how stories can be added to it. And in this series, I'm going to explain how real-time project gets created, and we will be creating multiple stories with the real-time requirement. And I will be implementing all the requirements part of stories, and you can able to see how complete project can be taken care in any of the organization. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the ServiceNow instance. So here we are. So first we need project portfolio management plugins to be installed in our ServiceNow to utilize this ITBM module like project portfolio module here. So first let's navigate to the plugins and try to install the required plugin into our instance. It is taking a bit of time. Let's wait. Okay, so now I'll be searching project portfolio management here. So we got this many plugin. So this one is the, no, not this one. Yeah, this one, project portfolio management. We need to install this plugin to utilize PPM module. So I'll just click on install and update. I'll be loading demo data. So I'm checking this box and installing all the respective modules for this PPM. So it will be running. Maybe it will take some time, and this will install PPM module. So let it install. Still being installed. So let it complete it to 100%. Uh, Guys, so see, it took a while to get it installed. So now it is 100% completed. It got installed. So I'll just go refresh my instance. Okay, so my instance got installed. Now what I'll try to do, I'll just try to type project here in filter navigator to see everything got installed. So once I type project, you could see here project workspace, a lot of things you can see, right? Let me type projects. Okay, so here I can see create new. So I'll just click on this create new. So it is under project. You have this create new, you can see all. So let's get created one new project and see. So this is team space project. We don't have to go there. We need to go here. Sorry. In under project, we have to go to the create new, and we know that the table name is for project is pm underscore project dot list. If if you're not finding out the correct then you can go with the table name as well. So this is the correct one. Pm underscore project is the table name, and here you could see this is the project. So we are on the right form. Now we can create a new project from here. So what we have to do is we have to provide the valid project name here, and we need to fill this is project portfolio management, right? So we will have obviously portfolio, so we can select the required portfolio for that particular project. So we have application modernization, digital business transformation, HR, product development, and new portfolios also can be created using this new button. So we need to select this portfolio based on our project. So for example, I'm selecting this one, and I'm just giving here test application as a project name. So we need to like provide the valid name, project name here, like whatever project is coming along our way. So based on that we need to fill this, and we are having template guys also. So we are having various project templates. So by using the template also we can create project. For example, if I click here, we can select project template here. Okay, so we are having already few templates, and based on the client requirement we do create new template as well from this table name. This is a table for template. You can go through you can go to this table and you can create new template according to the customer requirement. And you can select for example, I'm selecting this work as package as a template, and I'm giving this project name as the test application only I'm going to give. So you need to give the project name. Instead of giving here, you can give it here. If you are creating this project via template, you can just click on OK. So this project got created. Okay, so all these values, status, state, like okay, this description, everything comes from the template. You can fill it manually, and you can select the template, and you can this project can be created. Okay, so now you can fill this assignment group, assign to, all the details. And here you are having this project task as well. Okay, so project task also can be created here. See, so here sub projects can be created. So sub project is nothing, this project will act as a parent, and other sub project which is related and associated to this project, those can be added here as a sub project. So we have multiple project which is going on, maybe related to another project. So if this is the main parent project, those project can be added here as a sub project. Okay, so whether we can create new sub project here, and we can add also like existing project. If there's any existing project which is related to this project, we can select and add it here. So for example, I'm adding this one as a sub project. So in that scenario, this project, the existing our project will act as a parent. Okay, okay, so you can see here this project has got added to this project as a sub project. And let's talk about requirements. So BA will gather the requirement from customer, and BA will be updating all the requirements here. If there's any existing requirement, they can click on edit button, and it can be added. If requirements are new, it has to be created under this project, they can click on new button and requirements can be created. So this one is totally BA or like project manager work. And resource planning also, it can be done, if you see here, we can see few resource plan. So we manage the resource, like how many resources are going to work upon. So based on that, this resource planning happens. And if you could see in resource plan, you can see this planned hours, planned cost, start date, end date, user can be added here, and group, like user is part of the group, right? That group has been added here. So this also resource plan will be created by BA or project manager. Again, cost plan, like how costing has to be done, these things captured here, and they can do the cost planning here, whether they can manage and they can create new. Okay, we have this monetary benefits plan, non-monetary benefits plan, project budget, baselines, status report, lot of things. And if there's any risk, that can be analyzed and it can be created here. If there's any issues, decision, actions, all can be captured here. Okay, stakeholder also, like if existing stakeholder, it can be added from here. If any new stakeholder has to be created for this project, everything can be done here. So for developer point of view, requirements is the main thing, and here this is the outer box, that's why we are not able to see stories. But if you work in any of the organization, they bring out stories tab here. So based on this requirement, stories will be created, and stories will be assigned to the developer, and developer will be working on the stories. So let's try to bring out this story tab here, and we will create few stories and like with the real time requirement, and we will start implementation of the stories one by one. So let's do that. Okay, so to bring this stories, we need to go to the configure, we need to go to this related list, and from related list we can bring the stories tab to the project. So let's type a story here. Okay, so we don't have stories here. The reason is we have not installed the release management plugin to our instance. So to bring stories tab to the project, we need release management. So if I type a story here, you won't see that thing into the filter navigator. It's not there, right? So the table name is story is rm underscore story dot list. Let's see if I go there what I'll find. So there's nothing. This is not existed in our instance. This is not there in our instance because we don't have a release management plugin from where this story table comes in. So now we need to install the release management plugin to bring stories to the project. So we'll do that, but this video will be very long, so let's do it in our next video. Till now, do take care of your guys, and we'll meet up in our next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.